The Applied Engineering class at Bethel Christian School, Lancaster, California in the fall semester 2012 built a model of a construction crane. The crane was made with coffee stirrers to create truss beams for the tower and boom. It was mechanized with small DC motors controlled by a single microprocessor. In this video, you can see the boom rotate, the cart move out on the boom, and the electromagnet drop to pick up the iron films. Here you can see the boom rotate. Here you can see the cart being moved by our small DC motors. Here you can see it drop the electromagnet into the iron filings. Here you can see it lift iron filings back up. Here you can see the cart move back out on the boom and drop its iron filings. So weird. Oh my God! Oh my God! Show yourself, Bobby. I'm so modest.
A wonderful teacher.